Hey everyone, hope you're doing good. This is our first product review video on Kiana and Mommy's channel. And in this video, we will be going to review a car seat, which we have bought from First Cry. So let's start the video. And if you have not yet subscribed to us, please do subscribe. If you like the video, please do like and share with your friends and family. So without delaying much, let's start the video. So this is the user manual which we got with this product, and so in this user manual they have mentioned how to tighten the harness and how to slackening the harness and positioning according to your baby you can do. So let's start. In this seat it has 3-in-1 function which has infant, booster and convertible. It has soft padded seat as well, 5-point safety harness and 3 reclining positions in it. So you can see it has a grey seat cover which is nice and comfortable for your baby, and second is comfortable pads which is of grey and white color. White and a bit of yellow color is there. Okay, it is very comfortable for our baby, which we have already reviewed it. And then it has a seat belt, Babyhug seat belts. You can adjust it as per your baby's age and weight. Okay, then it has a connector with seat belt. Through the connector you can connect the harness, and as per that you can tighten, slack it. Okay, then it has a positioning handle at the here. Yeah, you can tighten and loosen your straps. Okay. Now see, it is done now. So again, what you have to do, you have to put the strap back to the seat cover. Once it is done, put the seat cover back to the seat. Then the comfortable pads. This is head comfortable pad. Okay, now it is done. So we can show you how our baby is sitting here in this seat and she is enjoying the seat. Thank you. So guys, coming to the review part of this product. We bought this car seat for our little girl as we love traveling. So now it is easy to take our baby out in this car seat, because as a parents, it is our number one priority that our baby should be safe. The best thing about this car seat is that it is very easy to use and comfortable. And whenever she is sleeping in the car seat, we don't have to wake her up, and we can just take her out with this car seat only. Now coming to the pros here. So number one point here is it is affordable. Affordable in terms of cost, as the actual price of this product is 6.6k and we got it at 4k. Now point number two here is the adjustable safety harness. They are really easy to use. Now the third point here is the comfort pads. They are very comfortable for your baby and the color combination is really nice and they are washable also. Then the fourth point is the sturdiness and lightweightedness of this car seat. Now coming to the cons part of it. As we are using it from past 15 days, we didn't find any issue in this. But in future, if we got any kind of issue, we will surely share with you guys. From our side, we are giving 5-star rating to this product. As till now, we didn't face any kind of issue. So product link will be in the description of our video. Thank you. Do subscribe us.